In my last video, I have shown how to create YouTube channel using Gmail account. If you create your YouTube channel, your work is not actually finished. You have to customize your channel. You cannot attract your audience if you don't customize your channel in proper way. So I will show you how you can customize your channel. So before that, I would request you to subscribe my YouTube channel if you are new on my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to hit the bell button so that you can see my futures video very easily. So let's move to customize our channel. So in order to customize your channel, you have to click on customize channel, and after clicking on that, your page will be redirected to channel customization, and the new page will come. I'm going to show you. Just keep patience and keep waiting. It is coming soon. Yes, it has come. So we have come to channel customization. Here we have to work for three portions actually. One is layout, second thing is branding, and third and last thing is basic info. So we have to work for these three things, and I will perform everything and I will show you everything, doing everything one after another. So first, what we will have to work for branding. I'm going to click on branding. So if you click on branding, you will have to actually work for three portions actually. One is your profile picture, YouTube profile picture, and YouTube brand image, and video watermark. So I'm going to introduce everything in compare with my YouTube channel so that you can understand clearly. So what is profile picture? Profile picture of YouTube is also like Facebook profile picture. So I'm going to show you what is YouTube profile picture. I will show you from my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. This is actually my channel profile picture. You are seeing this profile picture. So I have to set this profile picture for this new channel. So to set profile picture, what I have to do, I have to just click on upload, and I have to upload photo from my download. So I have chosen this photo. Now to open, then you have to you can crop this image as per your willingness. And this profile picture is actually a vital issue. This picture should be very catchy and very attractive so that it can attract your audience. The banner image. What is banner image? Banner image is like Facebook cover photo. Everybody knows what is Facebook cover photo. So I'm going to show you what is actually banner image of YouTube. This is my channel's banner image. So I have to set this banner image, and here banner image size is already recommended. It will be 2048 by 1152 pixel and should be 6 megabyte or less than 6 megabyte. So remember these issues before making banner image. So I have already made a banner image and going to upload it. So I will set it now. And done. See, now what will be actually preview you are seeing. This is actually TV. If you watch YouTube on TV, your banner photo will be like that, and if you on laptop, your banner photo will be like that, and for mobile phone will be like that. So you have gotten concept clearly. And now video watermark. What is video watermark? Video watermark is a picture. Its size will be actually 150 by 150 pixel. This is actually recommended size by YouTube. So you have to create the image accordingly, and you have to set the watermark accordingly. So I am going to set the watermark. Just click on and bring a photo from your computer. I have done this. You can crop as per your willingness. Okay, it has come. Now you can see end of video. This picture can be selected for end of your videos. This, if you click on this portion, your image will come just at the time of end of your videos. And if you click here, this image will be appeared for entire videos. On the other hand, if you clicked here, you can customize. If you write here 40 seconds, this picture will appear throughout your videos just after 40 seconds. So you can set as per your willingness. Now everything is finished in branding. Now I will go to set basic info. So I'm going to click on basic info. Whenever audience will come to home page of your YouTube channel, they will see the description about your YouTube channel and they will know about your channel. So you have to write the description very beautifully so that your audience can be attracted. So I have done this. Just I have to put some text from Lord MS Plums so that you can understand how to set channel description. So this is finished. Now you are seeing a URL. This is actually your YouTube channel URL. You can copy it from your copy box and you can paste on other social media to promote your YouTube channel. And finally you are seeing contact info. You have to put here email address. This email address is actually for your audience. If your audience want to communicate with you, they can communicate with the help of this email address. So basic info is also completed. Now I will have to go to layouts. So if you come to layout, you are seeing video spotlight, and under video spotlight you can put here channel trailer and featured videos. This will be actually put on home page of your YouTube channel. See, I am just showing you with the help of my channel. Here this is the home page of my YouTube channel. This is my features video. So you can also set the features video just clicking on add, but right now you cannot set any featured video here. So if I click here, nothing will be shown here. If I uploaded videos earlier, all the videos can be shown here. I can choose videos from the video gallery. So here it is impossible to set featured video right now. So right now I have to skip this section. Now I am going to another section. This is feature section. If you go to set feature section, you can set many things here. Just click on add section. If you click on add section, you will be finding many things here. You can keep here created playlist. If you click here, created playlist will be added. Okay, now you can add many more things. You can keep short videos. Just click on short videos, it has come. So whenever you will upload your videos under these categories, these videos category will be shown in proper way. I am going to show you from my YouTube channel. See, actually I have uploaded many videos, and for this reason all the videos is gonna be shown accordingly. So I have customized my channel slightly, but I have many things remaining to perform, and I hope that I will show you many things to perform in my next video. So I hope you must watch the next video. The next video's URL is already put on the description of this video, where you can click on that link and you can watch the videos so that you can learn many things regarding your YouTube channel customization. Thank you very much.